Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to the second video of B letter words. We have discussed two videos in last week, and in those videos we have learned silent letter words and we have discussed A letter words also. Now today we are going to learn B letter words and the related words and its pronunciation. In this video I will tell you how to pronounce the words which starts with B letter, and you have to practice those words for improving your pronunciation. And the moment you improve your pronunciation, it will enhance the beauty of your language. It will bring sharpness into your language. The moment you try to pronounce each and every word properly, that will give more good impact on your language. So let's begin how to pronounce the words which start with letter B. Ballet. Ballet. It's not ballet, we should say ballet. Bear, not beer. We should say bear. Ballet, beer, bear. Beginning, beginning, beginning. Beige, beige. Ballet. Then biology, biology. It's not biology, it's biology, biology. Then bouquet, bowl, bouquet and bowl. Bracelet, breakfast. It's not breakfast, you should say breakfast, breakfast. Then brew, brew. Broccoli, broccoli. Brochure, brochure. Or you can say brochure, but generally people say brochure. Brooch, buffet. It's not buffet, it's buffet, right? Buffet. Then bureaucracy, bureaucracy, bureaucracy. Let's revise it once more. Ballet, bear, beginning, beige, ballet, biology. It's not biology, it's biology. Bouquet, bowl, bracelet, bracelet, bracelet. Breakfast, breakfast. It's not breakfast, breakfast. Brew, brew. Broccoli, broccoli. Brochure, brooch, buffet, right? And bureaucracy. So these are some words which start with letter B, and you have seen its pronunciation. It would be great if you write the sentences with these words and then try to read those sentences. That will get you the correct pronunciation of these words. So I hope friends you have enjoyed this session of B letter words, and we will be coming up with more videos related to pronunciation. I hope you have liked all the series of my channel. It has got many playlists, and if you go to the playlist section you will get spoken English, advanced English, and we have uploaded other videos like motivational videos as well. So you can visit the channel once and enjoy the learning with Easy English Jabalpur channel. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest updates of videos on your cell phone. So friends, connect with us to get more information about English language and improvise your English language with us, and I hope you will get a good command of the language. So thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and do take good care of yourself.